we live? Oh, we're live. What's up, everyone? It's your boy JOHHABRAHAM. We're back. We're back. We're back with the last parts of the lab journal. Lab journal. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So I was writing section 8.4 yesterday. 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 Day. Oh, should we switch to the other cam? Yep. I go here. I place this. I change some of the description to remove the restream subscription. There. And now I'm going to add my own thumbnail. I really like the thumbnail though. But am I reusing the thumbnail a lot? Maybe. Maybe. Okay, everything's done. I can just do whatever. Be sure to set a timer for 15 minutes. I was doing section 8. You guys ready to see the best transition in this world? I know you are. So, 3, 2, 1. I know I'm good. I just know I'm good at this. Wait. Maybe this is okay. Good enough. So I was writing 8.4. Why do I need my phone up next to me? I don't know, just for fun. Zinc chloride solution. Uh, test on black part. Add few parts of. Wait, what? Okay, that's also not available. The 4 molal. How do I prepare it? One drop of acetate is the precipitation form. Go to the solution test. If no precipitation forms, scale up the test tube. Heat gently in hot water. Scale up to test tube. Did you mean move to test tube? Wait. Here, what did you mean by scale up to like move them to the test tube? Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. If no precipitation forms on the spot plate, just take larger amounts of the same three things and put them into a test tube. Heat gently in hot water bath until precipitation appears. Then transfer the drop of the mixture with precipitate onto the black part of the porcelain plate with the solution test. Mhm. I need to write this in the most. I need to write and do this in the most efficient way I can do. I should not even move my hand. There should be like I should not move without an intention. I should not move or look or even close my eyeballs without an intention, without a purpose. Every movement I take should be worth it. Each heartbeat should be worth it. One drop of acetate buffer, one drop of zinc chloride solution. So if this now, I mean, I could start with these in the test tube, right? Why should I? The solution test on the black part. So fucking ads, bro. What? You know what? For a zinc chloride solution, small amount of zinc chloride plus 5 milliliter water. Where was the NaOH used? Few drops, okay. Prepare enough because you need it for 8.4. Is that mentioned here? Section 8. Mix 1 drop of acetate buffer solution, acetic acid acetate buffer for section 4. Okay. I still have that. That's good. With 1 drop of zinc solution and add 1 drop of K4. If no precipitation is formed, repeat the procedure in a test tube with larger amounts and heat the solution gently in a hot water bath until the precipitation is observed. The precipitate can be dissolved in both. This can be done in the black part of the spot plate. Okay. Hexacyanopherates. This one. Presence of concentrated ingredient. Basically, it's okay. Yeah, I did test the pH, so it was basic if I remember. I kind of did the part 1. One drop of K3 FeCN 6. 6 です。Is the step 3 necessary? Oh, okay, that's the correct spelling. Observe. Oh, okay. But I did it, so should I do it again? Yup. After that, add few drops of formaldehyde HCl. Observe any dissolution. So that's A. Now part B. One drop of acetate buffer. Okay, should I waste my time? I don't think I should waste my time with the porcelain plate. I don't think I should waste my time with the porcelain plate and start with the test tube. And if no PPT was observed, just gonna add the preset materials compounds more until 15 minutes for one more, and keep that until PPT forms, which I can move to the plate. Is it still visible? Yep. This tube. One drop acetate buffer. Buffer 1 from section 4. One drop of zinc chloride solution. One drop of 10% K4 FeCN6. If no PPT was formed, add more of the compounds equally and Heat gently using water bath until PPT forms. Is with the solution and PPT. A drop or two. Few drops of formaldehyde HCl. Few drops of 8% NaOH. So I was thinking, few drops, observe. Now, this can be done on the black part of the spot plate. I can do this on the black part, but we gotta do both. What was I thinking? So now these are the steps. I'm thinking, how can I make this faster? I prepare this solution first. I prepare zinc chloride solution, then this. I also add zinc at the middle. Yeah. And that way I can do all the experiments on the same spot plate. Order of prep. Are we needing the zinc chloride somewhere? No. Solution 4B. Solution with PPT. Move all to the porcelain plate together to avoid reusing. For B, for A, for B. For B, for A, for B. K3 FECN6. %% AOH. Okay. What? So that's section 8. Section 9. Did I set a timer? I did not. Hey Siri, set a timer for 14 minutes. I did not need to leave that much space, I guess. Nope. That's a lot of space for section 9. To section 8. Section 10, organic compound. This is experimental. Wait, this is for 10.2. Anion test, cation test. That's for 10.2. Okay, okay. The ultimate flame test. This is 10.1, so I don't have space to write 10.3. Section 9. Check the pH before disposal. Yep, 9. Why am I what's it called? What is this called? Turning my pages a lot. Where like it looks like I don't know where I am. Is that what it is? Section 9, full procedures. Smell everything carefully in a chemical way. Waft towards you. Never directly sniff. This thing, right? Smell everything carefully in a chemical way. Waft towards you. Never directly sniff. All toxic. Okay. Carbonate. Spatula tip of potassium carbonate into test tube or porcelain plate. Add 1 to 2 drops of odorless strong acid. Ah. Is it so? However, it is very important that you really use only small amounts and you smell in a chemical way, thus only minor amounts of these formed and diluted in the air rather fast. If you're not able to smell them after several trials, do something different in between or get some fresh air. You already adapted to the smell. You can do experiments 5-9 on a porcelain plate with the pits, rub the salts with the glass rod. What? Spatula tip of potassium carbonate in the test tube. 2 to 4. Yeah, it's 2 to 4. It's not 2 to 4. That's not correct. Don't make me make. No, we gotta make some. No. You're right. You're right. I know I'm right. Okay, you both. I know I'm right. How long is the stream going? 34. Mm-hmm. Best option is to make 2 molal H2SO4 by diluting, which you already calculated before for section 6.3. Ah, section 6.3. 1.1 milliliter concentrated. Okay. Nope. Nope. For section 9.1, you do need some drops of this. Huh. 2.67 milliliters, though. Dog. I don't even know how to get them that few. Okay, but it's not that serious, right? I guess. Smell carefully. Okay. Analysis is directly done from salt nitrile sample. A spatula tip is mixed with spatula tip of KNO3 plus fourfold amount of K2SO4. Huh. What is fourfold amount? Is it like 4 drops? How much is this fourfold? Of course, that's 50 seconds. Okay. Mhm. It means 4 times the amount of sample by mass by volume. So if you take one spatula tip of the solid sample, you add four spatula tips of K2SO4. Sample ratio, just eyeball it. Wait, so we're just mixing solid. Uh, so we are mixing solid with solid. Go play now. You're a rock star. It's a game mode. Play. Whoa! I just that does not work. Nah, bro. Claude, this ain't it. Okay, I feel like I should not use Claude too much, especially something like this. Well, good old GPT. Welcome back. Good old GPT. No. Did I just flame test? What? Uh, I can't see the keyboard exactly. Okay. Hey, Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. This section is straightforward. All tests are quick, done with small, solid samples, involve smelling gases safely. Order of work, efficient flow. Do it in this order to avoid confusion. Carbonate. Place solid sample. What's the solid sample though? What is acidic smell? Like HCl? I heard something on the chat. Yo, ARL from somewhere. What's up? How you doing? Vacation, that's pretty good, right? If I understand, you're having your vacation, right? Summer vacation. Let's go.
イムグッドスクールストーツオン6エイプリル
6 April. Okay, 6th of April. Uh, 2 weeks, 2 more weeks. So it's all good. Oh man, I got my labs coming up tomorrow, and I gotta prepare for that. Oh man. Gotta say, I've started using Claude, the AI. If you're broke, Claude ain't it. Claude ain't it. And I really fucking hate that thing about Claude. When ChatGPT is better. Makes
I only use ChatGPT
I only use ChatGPT. Okay. I also use ChatGPT mainly, but recently one of my friends told me to use Claude. It's better for coding. Not just friends. I just saw on online. But Claude has these limits. Like right now, yep, out of messages, free messages until 6 p.m. They could have at least given me, what's it called, a lower version of the model or something, like GPT does. But no, no. Solid sample. Which solid sample are we talking about? I'll do this in two. Also, what's the sample for carbonate? Have you been playing any video games lately, ARL from somewhere? It's a reference salt that contains carbonate provided in the lab typically. Okay, I'll just give you, I'll give you the whole list. These are the chemicals we have been we've been provided. Also, apologies for the latency. Like there's a 20-second delay, right? Ugh. What corresponds to each part? Carbonate. This is your carbonate sample. Solid nitrile, 4 amounts of KHSO4 mixed with glass rod observation brown gas. Really? Sharp, irritating smell. Sulfide. Take sulfide. 4 amounts of, okay. Observation. SO2 gas. Pungent. Choking smell. Acetate. Vinegar smell. Acetic acid. No visible gas. Chlorine. Greenish yellow. Strong bleach. Like smell. I don't know exactly how bleach smells like, but I guess I'll roll with it. I'm getting distracted again. What is this? It's at 6, right? Yes, 6. Bum 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 bum. Why is Touch ID not recognized? Okay, it's working. Okay. Menu. Matrix effect. Ja, Ja. Ja. Wait. 1 hour. I should eat something, that's for sure, but I was planning to complete section 9. Where is it though? United States. What? I should have pictures in here. Nope. Yep, I'm gonna end the stream. I gotta cook because I'm hungry and I cannot perform when I'm hungry. Peace out, YouTube, Twitch.